Hello everyone, I'm Çağlar, a designer on the Design for Additive Manufacturing team at Plus 90 3D Digital Factory. Today we are going to talk about 3D printers in healthcare. We believe 3D printing fits perfectly in medicine, especially in implants and prosthetics.
First of all, almost every solution has to be unique for a specific patient. But unfortunately, with traditional methods, it's almost like buying a shirt. You have to choose from limited size options. It may fit you, but it's not gonna be a perfect. With 3D printing, you don't have to be stuck in a mold. The product can be customized for each patient with their own CT scan. Today, there are so many new data preparation tools in 3D printing that you can deliver a solution in hours instead of weeks, maybe even months. There is so much more to discuss, like how you can empower your design process with topology optimization or with unique lattice structures for lighten the weight, better blood circulation, better air circulation, and overall faster recovery in general. Or you can simply print the patient's tissue for surgical simulations. Surgeons can perform the operation on an exact geometry and correct flexibility factor of that tissue as many times as they want, without even seeing the patient. Our goal is to improve patient life quality and provide doctors with more efficient treatment methods. Thank you for watching. To learn more about 3D printing, visit our website plus90.com. See you in the next one.